Hi everyone, welcome to La Valentina. It's a mall or shopping center. We don't know yet, but let's go find out. Come on. Of course, we're going to start in the food court right through there, but I just wanted to point out before we went to the food court, there's a McDonald's. So we could have gone to McDonald's, but it is all the way on the other side of the parking lot. So heading to the food court.
There's also gorgeous views of the mountains.
And highway.
And highway. And I think we're in Phoenix. We're actually in La Valentina. Cotchaborn, Curepe, Metropolis. Okay, so here you go. Cotchaborn. Oh, we're in between Cotchaborn and Phoenix. Technically Phoenix.
And it's here.
Valentina.
I love how they've used the old mill bricks, but they haven't used too many of them. Okay, it's a big window. But they've planted it quite well. I do like this. I do like this. Oh, if you're coming for curbside collection, Panarotti's got you covered. This is the food court. It's got plants in it, and it's actually quite airy up there. Well, airy by that I mean light.
It's really nice.
It really is.
I'm surprised.
Ricky should be talking about this decor stuff. Shouldn't be me trying to show it to you. But have a look here. They actually
Mango sorbet.
mango sorbet. She's actually making some.
Artisanal.
Artisanal, yes. Sorbet artisanal. Bonjour.
Look, she's got an old
Ice grinder.
thing.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Huh. Awesome.
Nice. Check it out, guys. Crystal has olives, mango, of course, some ananas. Not sure what those are.
I think those are mangoes as well.
Maybe mangoes. And papayas. Oh, yum. Okay, so we got Sen and Ken. They're awesome. And Zistwa Pool. I think there's also one at 42 Market Street at Bagatelle. And then lots of gorgeous traditional Merchant sweets. Look at that. Amazing.
Ricky getting footage of sweets. But this is the Panarottis, where they'll give you your curbside delivery.
So you can just like drive up and someone will hand it to you or something.
You just drive up and someone puts the sign there so that you know where to go. Awesome. These are the Panarotti guys. Hi guys.
They're always so friendly at Panarottis.
They are. That's why Panarottis is the best, because you guys are so friendly. Thanks guys. Tiny little pizzas. Did you get the tiny pizzas? Miniature pizzas.
And a do-re-mi, Singaporean food. Still gotta try that sometime. It's a really nice mall. I don't think it's overly big, but it looks nice. I like it, it's different.
This is the first time I've seen a Bowl 5 open, and look how many tubs they have. I think these all have bullet in them. Yes, they have tons of different types of bullet. Huh. And it's all steaming away. Well, here we are at a grill place. It's called Le Cuz Grill. I wonder if they're better than Le Cuz Moi. That was Ricky, that wasn't me.
The guy's insisting that it's a great grill and Brian needs to taste a piece of lamb.
So I'm going to try a piece of lamb, but the burgers look quite
It certainly smells absolutely delicious. Oh wow, check that out.
good. Flame grill with
Here's the menu at Le Cuz Grill. Not bad, not bad.
He's actually frame grilling a little bit of lamb, but they're making some burgers on this side with pineapple and egg and cheese and all sorts of yummy looking things. This is the lamb he just grilled. I'm getting a taste of it.
Mmm, go for it. It smells delicious.
Oh, and it's hot. Oh no, this is perfect. Wow.
Doesn't need any sauce. Perfectly basted. No.
No, this is perfect. Just with that sauce that's on it already.
I want to taste. It smells so
wow.
good. Check this out.
How soft is that?
Oh,
But how's the flavor on that?
it's really meaty and savory, and this is nice, eh?
He's going to put a little bit of sauce on. But I think it's just perfect the way it is. That,
Oh, it
that
was lovely.
marinade.
But let's give it a go.
Marinade with herb.
Le
Marinade
Cuz
with-
Grill, everybody. Le Cuz
Olive.
Grill.
This
Wonderful.
is it. Le Cuz Grill. Oh, wow.
Here at Valentina Mall.
I'm the owner. He's my brother.
So this is the owner.
Family. We work with family.
They're a family business. Hey guys, thank you so much. This is such a great thing.
Run.
Signature burger. What's this one? The lamb one?
Oh, tomato looks good.
Chicken one.
Pineapple, egg, onion, the burger, tomatoes. Oh, I wish I could have seen them assembling it. But oh, and you get some chili on the side with the fries.
Oh, it looks like a great
And
place,
if-
guys. Great.
This lamb is anything to go by.
Yeah, no, for sure. And the pricing
This is going to be a
really
good burger.
Thanks, guys. Always so nice to run into a family run, owner run, small businesses, and you're making such great quality food. Unexpected and delicious.
35 years, remember?
35 years experience. Yes, they took over from their dad.
Thanks,
Awesome.
guys.
The Cuz Grill. Surprising. That's some of the best lamb I've had. Absolutely brilliant. Amazing what you can discover. What amazing people at that place, and that was so delicious. I love discovering new things.
There's also some jewelry, and right next to that, some pani puris. I'm not sure what that is, but book us now. Oh, they'll actually come do a special event for you. These are all natural soap, and look at this. They actually have noni soap. You don't have to eat it, you just wash with it. Oh, and citronella for mosquitoes, and papaya, and all different types of soaps, and also other things. Balms and beer. They actually have beer. It's a beer shampoo.
Oh, a really nice bathroom.
It's a bit of a hair studio here, and some sort of clothing thing, and more clothing things, but it's like the middle of the place has all sorts of things on it. Oh, and there's more down there. There's an outside area.
I like these high ceilings. Although it's like narrow, the ceilings are high. It gives you a real...
There's a balcony up there.
Yes, it's like Italy. It's cool. Really like this mall.
This is sort of an open air area here with plants and things, but this is a place called the Fisherman's Lounge. I think it's a restaurant or a pub or something. Or a lounge. It's a lounge, a Fisherman's Lounge.
Looks like a restaurant. I see you plates.
Yes, I'm just going to have a quick sneak inside the Fisherman's Lounge. Oh wow, it looks really nice in here.
Fish. Look up, look up.
Wait, oh look at all the little fish. It's a chandelier of fish. That is so cool. And they also have an upstairs area. Wow, what a fantastic place.
Great.
It does.
Okay, there you go. Like salmon and stuff. That looks pretty high end.
And look,
Yeah, whole
they do a
fish.
captain.
Ooh, yummy. This place is obviously closed, but people have put some pretty cool graffiti. I don't know, I kind of like it. It looks avant-garde.
It really does.
It's like Banksy was here.
It is. Yeah, that definitely looks like Banksy.
You could charge a fortune.
Be brave, everyone. It's instinct.
Instinct is like a sports brand.
I don't know. It's like clothes. And this is Amazonas. Amazonas. So they got watches. It's like a market in the middle of the shopping center, which is pretty cool. Oh, there's Ricky. And that's some hottie behind her. Amazonas. That's what it means. Amazonas.
Check out this. This is beautiful. Cushion covers. So you can go get that cushion for 100 rupees, and then one of these awesomely funky cushion covers for 250. Oh, I like those.
Bonjour.
And look at the handbag.
Oh, they have Le Delicious de Valentina. It must be like a pastry shop or something. And they have a Lolo Harper. Lolo Harper? Ricky's gone off plot. She's now looking at handbags.
I know, but look how cool they are. And it's got like a matching purse, and you can,
Okay.
Big and small.
you can adjust it and everything.
Wow.
Really
This is
cool.
three color.
Different colors. Oh, the red as well.
And
Huh.
this brown.
How much are these?
600.
600, guys.
600.
They've got lovely stuff.
They
Valentina
do.
Mall.
Valentino Mall.
Come visit this man. These things are gorgeous.
He has loads of stuff here.
900.
900. Wow. They're very nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
You see the hats?
The lights or the hats?
Look there. Oh, they're lights. Okay. They look like shells. They look like shells, you know?
They're very cool. I love the decor on this place. It's very high-endy. Looks quality. And check this. Oh, there's that sun behind on top. all sorts of gorgeous, authentic Turkish tea.
Look at that kit. I don't know if you can see it. I don't even know what that
man.
is.
It's like a saffron and rose petal
Kit.
tea. Oh wow, how gorgeous is this outfit? That is just so pretty.
Le delicious de Valentina. And these are the deliciousnesses of which they talk. Oh, they also make many things. Welcome to Lola Hapa. Look at it opened all by itself.
I have the power.
She has the power. That was Ricky. I don't think it's automatic. But this is our first time in Lola. We have no idea what it's like. Oh, Christmas is coming. You can see by the Christmas trees. They have guitars. I wonder if they play. Oh, it's a bit like Super U.
It is a little, it's sort of made up like the same.
Oh, and this is very important if you're going to walk on rocks like we did the other day.
Yeah.
Rock shoes. There's one thing about coming to a new place. You can't find what you're actually looking for because it's not quite exactly where the other one was.
Oh, I can smell roast chicken though.
Oh yes. Something's sort of gone horribly wrong with the world. When you can buy this little packet and it's cheese macaroni. Pasta. They have different flavors.
Penne.
Masala penne.
Add some water and
Just add water and you got a masala packet of penne. Weird.
Mauritius does quite like Nutella.
And have a look at this peanut butter.
Oh, wait, peanut butter?
Yum Yum chocolate dream. It's like
Wow.
chocolate peanut butter. Oh,
But you can get black it. 150.
so we are starting to figure it out, right? The first lane is like all toiletry type stuff, like hair coloring and shampoos and, you know, stuff for the bathroom basically. And then the next two are all foods and things. We haven't figured out the food ones yet. And then frozen section at the end. But this place has the weirdest gondola ends because you got all this stuff right around the corner from moisturizers. Oh wow. This is our first time in Lola's. Lola's, not it's just Lola Hapa.
It's quite good, it's really big.
It is, but it's very similar to all the others. It does seem to have things I haven't seen before.
It's very big.
But very big.
Big bit.
Look how big that is. There's lots of frozen stuff. It's almost as big as Super U. It just doesn't feel it.
Oh, this looks like the local veg section.
They do, they have a local veg section. So these are all grown here. You're welcome. Lots of great veggies, and it's almost the same price as at the market, which is pretty cool. And that's not bad at all. Well, here we go. This is the price of fruit juice. Actually, that's not too bad. I mean, compared to some of the others I've seen, 62 for clover. This is clover. I haven't actually seen clover either. But anyway, milk price, 53. Lola Hapa, actually worth a look in. I must go and explore it a little bit more next time. Didn't have time today, but here's some flowers. Well, anyway, good transition there, Brian. They had things. It actually does look really good, and the balconies around the edges. And drop down to the flowers. Oh, I'm doing a Ricky thing. It's a Ricky thing with flowers and hats. Awesome at this. They do have tons of these girl things, but look next door. They're the guys.
No, they got a lot of smart clothing.
It's really smart. This is called Mecca Club, but it's really smart. Oh, it's reflective. It's got the bad lighting. I'll try and get down a bit. Wow. There's a big electronics shop, Dragon Electronics. This is the exit with some more jewelry. And of course, Orchard Shoes. Well, I don't know why I said of course, but you know, there's Orchard Shoes. And then as you come out this entrance, they got loads of plants for sale. And look at the size of those peppers. Those are huge chilies. Put your hand against this chili, Rick. That is a massive chili.
Wow.
And then yes, you can get your little ones. What's that?
Black chilies.
Purple chilies. Are they chilies?
Yeah.
I've never seen purple chilies before. Let me know if you guys ever seen purple chilies. That is so exotic. Oh yes, and then Ricky was saying strawberries and
Lots of vegetables.
celery.
there.
That looks like celery.
Yeah.
And lots of plants you can plant. And rosemaries and whatnots. And lemon trees. Oh, it's cool. And then this is awesome with the stone. The stone and the bamboo. Love that. Ha ha ha. And you can see the McDonald's reflected in the glass. And in real life. I was so busy looking at the chilies that I didn't even notice that they got flowers as well.
Yeah, gazanias.
Oh, wow.
Marigolds.
Gazanias. They have flower, I know.
Look at those fuchsias.
What are fuchsias? Are those fuchsias?
Yeah. Nice. This is a great place to come for plants.
For everything, apparently.
Yeah.
He's actually got a lot more, but I wanted to come here because he's got one of these things. I don't even know what they are. They're like chubby. They're chubby and they have these leaves.
That she told us at Domain Anna, the garden shop.
Oh, okay. We'll have to go look that up.
She had these.
I'll let you know in hindsight. Go look at the Domain Anna one. She'll tell us. It does have a lot of parking, but there seem to be a lot of cars here. I mean, more than there are people in there. Maybe they come here for their lunch and we went through the food court too early. Wow, Valentino Mall. What a surprisingly great place. Well, anyway, everyone, thanks for watching and we'll see you again next time.